The word preparation in French is pronounced as
préparation, préparation.
You'll notice how the ation in French is pronounced
Action, action.
rather than ation as it is in English, but otherwise the word is very similar. Now, there are many words with that sort of ending in English, and those words have typically come into English from French. And if you simply change the pronunciation of those English words, you'll find you can very quickly create many hundreds of words in French. I'll show you what I mean. Again, preparation in French became
Préparation, préparation.
and so how do you think you'd say reservation in French?
Réservation, réservation.
What about decoration?
Décoration, décoration.
Let's try a long one here. How about exploration?
Exploration, exploration.
Now, these words that end in ation in English are really useful because, as you can see, we can already use them in French simply by changing the pronunciation of the endings. But actually, they're even more useful than this. I'm going to show you a trick that will let you use these words to talk about things in the past in French. I'll show you what I mean. Let's start with the word preparation. What I want you to do is to cut the ation off the end of the English word preparation. And in its place, what I want you to add is what I like to call the cafe E. Now, if you've ever looked at the word cafe, on the end of it is a letter E with a little mark above it, a little accent. And that accent is what makes cafe sound like cafe in English. If you took that little mark above it, that little accent above it off, you'd pronounce cafe as cafe. But we don't. So that E on the end of cafe with that little accent on it is pronounced as an A sound, just like in cafe. So what I want you to do is take the English word preparation, take the ation off, and replace it with that cafe E that makes an A sound. Do that now. What word do you get, do you think?
Préparer, préparer.
Which actually we've already been using and which means prepared. Let's try that with another Asian word. Let's take the English word reservation, get rid of the Asian, and replace it with that cafe E. What does that give you, do you think?
Réservé, réservé.
Which means reserved or booked in French. Let's try it with exploration. Again, we'll get rid of the Asian from the end and replace that with the cafe E. What does that give you?
Explorer, explorer.
Which means explored. Let's try one more. Take the English word decoration, get rid of the Asian, and replace it with the cafe E. What does that give you?
Décorer, décorer.
Which means decorated. So how would you say, I have decorated?
J'ai décoré, j'ai décoré.
How would you say, you have decorated?
Tu as décoré, tu as décoré.
He has decorated.
Il a décoré, il a décoré.
How about my dad has decorated?
Mon papa a décoré, mon papa a décoré.
The house in French, the house is
La maison, la maison.
So how would you say, my dad has decorated the house?
Mon papa a décoré la maison. Mon papa a décoré la maison.